able to get. You should be able to get your line up. Right? Okay, so here we use the dimension today. We talk about 1 1/4. Okay. This is 1 inch, 1.5, 1 3/4, right? 2 inches. So 1 inch, 1 1/4 is here. Okay, between the half and the 1 is quarter. So this is your next line. Now we're gonna find center point, right? Always use 45 degrees, I said, right? Don't measure. Measure is not accurate. Take this point, center line. Take this point, center line. Okay. So that's how you get center. That's why people use drafting D square and Z square. Right? It makes your life easy and accurate. Okay. Okay. Now, so if again I half, I half here. Half here, right? Half here, right? Center point. That's half. That's how it's done. So don't measure. You waste a lot of time measuring. Otherwise, they didn't invent the D-square for nothing. So everything is supposed to be very fast. Okay? Get the idea? So last time you did your assignment, I think you measure. Sang it on. Okay? Remember I told you, you want to divide into 3, what do? You take any measurement, right, that can be divided into 3. Say for example, here, right, I take from 0. This is 0 point, say, I take, okay, I just for, make it easier, 21, I take 21. Can you see? 21 is touching this line, 0 is here, right? So if you want to divide by 3, it should be 7, right? 7, 14, right? That's all. Divide by 3. Get the idea? Okay? All the odd number you use this one to angle and divide. All the even number use this one and keep on 45. Say like this, I divide into 2 now, right? I divide into 4. Right? I divide this into 4, half again. I'm going to divide this into 4, half again. Okay? Make sure your this way is correct. Sometimes from here, so that's your equal. So it's equal. Okay? So that's the first thing you need to learn. Always remember, use this way and Z way to make divisions. Do not measure. Okay, now we talk about this one. The first one, the first one we're doing is the top one, right? 3 inches by 3 inches is here, your plan. We are using a British system. The British system always start the plan, front elevation, side elevation. Okay? The Americans do it opposite. The Americans put the plan here, front elevation, side elevation. No. We use British system. Okay? So we put the plan here. So this is 3 inches, right? So again, you try to measure the first 3 inch. Okay? So 3 inches, so you take same now. 3 inches, right? Square, 3 by 3. So, okay, 3 by 3. So you already know that this is 0, right? Start from here, this is 3 inches. You can use this measurement, whatever. Okay, doesn't matter. Now, you know it's a square, right? So you don't have to measure. Take the 45 degrees, put it here. Just draw on it. This 3 by 3. Okay? So the next one is ½ inch on either side. So you measure ½ inch. Okay, so you take from here. This half, right? ½ inch. So the top also take ½ inch down, right? Okay, that's all you need to do. Because you got 45 degrees, I draw a line here, I draw a line here. See, I just use this angle, pull up. This angle, pull up. Finish already. This is my plan. It's that fast only, okay? So without this square, you cannot be fast. You cannot be accurate. This is fast and accurate. The method only, okay? Learn the method. Make sure you use the method. And make sure your 45 degrees is correct. If your 45 is not correct, right, then chances of it lari is very high. Okay, so this is my plan. That's what it is, right? Very simple, right? So I project, I do this one first. The only thing you need to measure when you do this is the height, right? So I just pull up one line. You notice I use the same pencil, but I use pressure, right? So when it's a construction line, as light as possible, when you want to make the object stand out, you go darker. You put in more pressure. Okay, so that's also another way of doing it. Okay, this one is 1 inch base and 3 inch top. So altogether is 4 inches, right? So 4 inches is actually here. This is 4, right? This is 1 inch, right? 1 inch, and this is the base. So this is it. Draw your lines, construction lines, very thin lines, sorry. Okay, very light lines. Project it upward. From here, project upward. Okay, this one, project here. Okay, that's all. Darken the line. When you use your pencil, you should be rotating the pencil like this. Then your line will be always, the pencil sharpens by itself if you rotate, but not many people know how to do that anyway, so don't bother lah. Okay, so you get your object already. Alright, now I'm going to take this fella and push it up here. Okay, very simple. Use the same method. Okay, this one, recycle tape. Okay, push this one over, push this one over. This one no more using measurement, so we only take from here. So I push all my lines here already, right? So this line, I push it up here. Wherever I want to start, say for example, I want to start here lah. Okay, I want to start there. I push this line, 45 degree, hit this line, right? Yeah. Then I use this 45 degree down. Too many construction line confuse you a bit. Okay, da. Okay, I show you this. Bring out, bring out, bring out, bring out. My photos like this for you. Okay, so dot. I show you the projection, right? Okay, I will show you the projection from here. Show you the projection from here. Show you the projection from here. It's all projected. Everything is projected in drafting. There's no bluffing. Okay? Alright? So from here now, you see the first one is this one. Okay, I project up already. Second line, this line, I project here, right? From here, I push it up, right? The next one is this one. Come here already, I project upwards, right? Next one is this one, the end already. I project here. Okay? Yeah. Can see, Everybody understand, This is the simplest one, Then as you go, you notice that it gets more complicated, Okay, so next one is I darken the lines, so you see the object better. Okay, this is the line. This is the line, right? And this is the line, okay? So now I've got my object done already, right? So the object stand out, so you always darken the lines when you finish darken it, so that when you print you can see it. Okay. Just darken it. Okay, finish already, right? Next stage, okay? When you write, this is front elevation, right? Side elevation, okay? Draw the thin lines, light lines, keep it light, keep your pencil light. Okay, then you write. Write, you print. We only use uppercase, do not use lowercase. You're not allowed to use. You develop your own style, whatever, doesn't matter. You just have to print as clearly as possible. Don't have to be fancy, don't worry about it. Front elevation, okay? Alright, so this is plan. Every time when you write, you have to draw lines, okay? Draw lines and write. Okay, so side elevation is right here. Whatever style you choose.